YouTube, what's up, man? It's been a week, YouTube. We outside. Hey, where's this guy driving to, man? Whoa. YouTube, it's been a week. What's up, people? Alright. Safe to say we out here. Rainy day. Let's go see where the streets are. Time to get this vlog going. You know, YouTube, it's been actually nice. I was just busy, didn't really get to do no vlog content. You know, but we have to go step up the thing right now. Thanks for your patience. Yeah, now we have to go take on the road, bro. I wonder where. Right now, bro, it's about to be a rush hour, so I'm gonna try to cut out the traffic thing, you know what I mean? This camera probably have on charge too, so. I know I need the right time to do this, but you happen. Just to make certain, so this camera don't cut off, I make sure I plug it on the charger. Be responsible enough for that. Right. Rainy day, as you can see. Whoa. I know we should have to drive it out to put on the traffic highway. Drive up Ocean right now, bro. That is it. We're going up Ocean Avenue right now. Yo, you know, it's for real, I have this thing. You see this? I have the thing up here, so. But the next piece time, I don't know how to do it. The shelf for the camera, I don't know how to put it, bro. Brought me in the trunk. Right now I have my book bag them somewhere, but the thing is, point of the story is, I pre say, yo, I probably just go in a Gallatin and rent one scooter. Rent one, what do you call it? Bicycle, city bike. And just, you know, do my thing, you know. Get some vlog going. I don't really get too much time to do no vlogging at the city too much. Get some gas on the car. So this morning, like say boy, about 5:30, 4:30 say 5, right? 4:30 I go 5 o'clock. Right? And I said to myself, well, there them up. Do what I have to do. I mean, I tell myself, so you know, so I'm not going to my bed hungry, bro. I'm not care. I could have 6 o'clock. Yeah, you know, so I make some porridge, bro. That's some of my nicest porridge I ever consume, bro. I'm not like. I know I'm full. Sure. 1 o'clock now. I'm full. Wake up full. Solid. Yeah, that's what it is. It's solid. Rasp on the scooter I go to. Yo. Like some scuba goggles. As I ride the scooter. Yo, scuba glass, scuba diving goggles. Yo, this is crazy. The scooter man, them not bad. If they active like the dread a while ago. blood clot house over this star. Huge enough, man. Look where rotten down, bro. Right, that's a Newkirk Avenue enough, match it. Yeah, man, that's a Newkirk and Ocean Avenue. Whole heap of big house there on the place there. But you know, enough of them houses still have some old blood cleat house them still in a local one there, so you do it days. You see me? And you think say gotcha. That I got put them gonna put something mega there so now. And when them house you move, bro, it's always a big building go. Watch it, that's huge. That was the most haunted over this blood clot. Them can go do a dopey show over this, so that the most haunted. But tell me nothing. All the dog them now walk down the social dog turn back. Them house yeah, yo bro. I can't see this charger thing, bro. I can lay them up the flag, bro. We're supposed to get enough energy now, right? Yeah. If we move the camera, bro, we need to wind down the window, bro, and don't. 940. Over there look like the White House. Done. Oh, it's fire. Over the side, White House. Yo. Jaja. YouTube, one of them I'm wanting on YouTube. I don't like you on YouTube. You see me? Yeah, man, the dream is real, you see it? And also, if you believe in yourself and believe in your dream, slap up the subscribe button for me too, because I see them goal, I want dream, I want goal, you see it? We all want something great in our life, so please do that something for me. Slap up the like and subscribe, share, drop a positive comment if you can, you understand? Such is life. Yeah, man. You in a nice view. What's that shit? Over here's a star house, them nice. Yeah. You see who it say loves you up there? Okay. Alright, hope it connect, alright? Okay. No man. Yo, them flowers, you see flowers there, sir? That one the pink. One back there so look purple. I don't know what them name, but I always see them, you know, a lot of people yeah, them type of flowers there. But them drop a lot of leaves though, as you can see. Yeah. Dog, them I love the weather out the door. Look on them house, you know, see all money in the family. You know, long them people have blood clot money, brother. Look on the house, them, bro. Them house I get, do them days, you see me? You can see them dead a long time, bro. So that's what you call all money, you see me? Yeah, man, a real thing, man, a big money thing. Don't think the people them think simple, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, a real thing. I like it, though. Especially if you have nice mansion like this, dog. And you don't need to go too much far in the countryside, you can just stay in a city. I have something live like this on the front page. Yeah. Why not? Why not? That's what I want to try. That's the new talk. Why not try that? Big house, that's what I talk about. Why not try that? I know YouTube, but this video one cut out in the traffic, you know, you see that? Such man back let's make a turn. Burn up. I'm gonna black up Darchester for you. Oh my god, man. Come on, son. Taxi man I can't drive, you know. You're the first taxi man. You must late for all of your trip them. Yo bro, normally taxi man them run the road away and see all of you say them drive too aggressive as taxi people. You know what taxi people think, but right? Such man, are the first taxi man me see a drive so slow, bro. You can't make up this umbre. Yo. You can't make up this, you know that. Them brick they look like so they want clean. Weather get nice. But I said, America about to get nice again, right? America always nice, man. And there's some people that say, yo, Trump say gonna make America great again. I say when America wasn't great. America been great, always great, will be great like, always. Like what the fuck change? Ain't nothing no change, brother. So you see rich people them still rich. And who no want the money still now none. Cause them no want none. Look. Watch it. You know what I mean? Watch it. You see now that could be a change if you can have a couple tractor trailer and you know what I mean, couple things like that. Yeah. So more I want a couple church. In the Lord's name. That me talk about. Me just want to relax and get some honest money. I tell no lie. And if you really believe in getting some honest money, slap up a like and make sure that you are fully subscribed to the channel, man. You understand? Watch that. It's a roadblock that them have there so no charge it. You see that? I tell you, the struggle is real out here. Man, them always have roadblock there, so. Man, them have a little Mini Cooper locked down. Sound like you fry egg for my video, my girl. How are you? YouTube, when you hear all this scrambling and she did there, though. What you do? Sound like she fry egg, YouTube. How when you blow out that, I go on. Church up in your yard, dog. Deal, 99 cents deal. I go in there nothing for 99 cents. All the tax dearer than 99 cents. One of the people wicked, so they put up all these fancy signs. If you fool me, only if you fool me when we reach in there, not even change me left with. Oh, everything 99 cents. Cap, the biggest cap that them could ever put on our wall. None of it 99 cents, brother. Them the time they done, bro. I don't even know why them call it dollar store. Remember when our chips used to be a quarter? Try to get one right now. Them no sell that. Yo! You tell me I get $1 in a bro, you can get 4 pack of chips in a dog. Imagine, so you have to youth them, you see me? And you know, say alright, that $1 they can get you 4 pack of chips, dog. You youth them alright, you see me? No. Alright, it. You go in a store and you barely can get that chips, bro. I tell you, dog, thing change out. That means you have to be making big chips. That's what the thing there. Let me see that 4 season. Ja.